All right, guys, these are the instructions for the week of April 20th through April 24th. It's a pretty straightforward week. We have the link to our office hours here, as always. And you've got 3 assignments and 1 quiz to complete this week. The President Polk and Westward expansion assignment focuses on corroboration. You're going to access the notes page here. This is one that you will turn in separately. This is not on your Unit 6 notes page. You watch the video and practice corroborating by using these 3 sources below and filling out the notes page that you downloaded here. Next, is the Western Expansion Group's Jigsaw. Now, this one is on your Unit 6 notes page. So there's nowhere to submit it. You'll just look through the PowerPoint, watch the videos for each of these groups that went west, and fill out all the questions that are in your notes. Remember, you want to be keeping up with those notes because you will be turning them in at the end of the unit for a fairly large chunk of your grade. Once you've completed those 2, you are going to be taking a quiz. Remember, all the quizzes are open notes, so you can access any of the notes that you have taken in order to answer these questions. You're also going to be completing a Nearpod about President Jackson and how he changed the political system. This is, again, on your Unit 6 notes page. So you go through the Nearpod, you complete all the activities, you fill out the notes, and you're good to go. And finally, there's a Flipgrid reflection for this week as well. You can go here, watch the video with a question in it, and respond to that. Again, the Flipgrid reflection is all open notes, and even this one, you can use outside sources if you want as well. But just answer the question best you can. As always, if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to myself or Miss Crandall.